Now, let's say we have a curve fx and we have 3 points x1, x2, x3 on it, and we can form a triangle inside this curve. Now let C be the centroid of this curve and xc be the x-coordinate of the centroid, and this point on the curve that has the value xc is P. We can write yc is greater than yp for a concave up function. Substituting the value of yc, that would be now what we got here is called the Jensen's inequality in finite form. Let's take fx is equal to x square and apply the same thing. Taking square root, what we are going to get is and this, what we got is called RMS is greater than average inequality. Now let's take fs is equal to ln x. What we are going to get is a concave downward function. In this case, the inequality reverses. So here, yp is greater than equal to yc. Now log a plus log b is equal to log ab, and 1 by 3 log a is equal to a to the power log of a to the power 1 by 3. So we get since log is an increasing function, we can remove the log from both the sides and obtain. This is the famous AMGM inequality. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe the video if you like it.